Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. K.K. Misra. This is sixth video tutorial in series on multiple choice questions on human resource management. Question number 1. Training and development together helps in ऑप्शंस यहाँ इनफैक्ट पॉइंटर्स दिए हुए हैं. करेक्ट ऑप्शन यहाँ सी है जिसमें कि फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ एंड फिफ्थ सारे पॉइंट्स जो दिए हुए हैं सही हैं. 1. रिमूविंग परफॉर्मेंस deficiencies. 2. Offer greater stability. 3. Flexibility and capacity for growth. 4. Reduces accidents, wastages and damages to machinery. 5th. Reduces dissatisfaction, absenteeism and complaints. Question number 2. Personal management is. तो जो कुछ भी A, B and C में दिया वो सारे सही हैं इसके लिए. So A is a managerial function of planning, organizing, directing, controlling and coordinating the operative functions so that their individual objectives and organizational goals are achieved. B. A function which deals in recruitment, development, compensation, integration, utilization, and maintenance of people. C. An aspect of relationship between and among the people and is concerned about their well-being as individual and as groups. 3. When does the bargaining process begin? So सारे ऑप्शंस यहाँ सही हैं. A, B and C. A. The charter of demands of the workers are not fulfilled. B. Discontinuation of services and concerted actions by the workers which result in low output and monetary loss. C. The employer cannot afford to neglect these actions which result in monetary loss. 4. Cause of genuine grievance can be. Correct option is A here. Discrimination, lost opportunity, injustice, etc. done to the employee. 5. DIAS consists of the learning opportunities designed to help employees to grow. A. Training. B. Development. C. Banking operations. D. None. Correct option is B. Development. 6. Define the subject matter of training. So here A, B and C, all options are correct. They are all subject matter of training. Let us see what is given in A. Organizations need staff at all levels to be self-sufficient, resourceful, creative and autonomous, but they face the challenge in instilling confidence and initiative and problem-solving capabilities. B. Performance and capability are ultimately dependent on people's attitude and emotional maturity. Helping them to achieve on a personal level provides a platform for trust and emotional contracting with the organization. C. When people develop confidence, integrity, and more knowledge, they automatically become proactive, solution focused, responsive, which has implications across a whole team with multiplying effect. 7. Joint management councils are established in an organization which employs. Correct option is D. 500 employees or more. 8. ROI stands for return on investment. Correct option is B. 9. Talent management consists of first, second, third, fourth. जो भी दिए हुए हैं. First is performance evaluations to identify potentials. Second, psychological testing and assessment to determine capability gaps. Third, training and development programs. Fourth, project work and job experience to accelerate development. Question number 10. The term learning organization means. All options are correct here, A, B and C. A. People at all levels, individually or collectively, are continually increasing their capacity to produce the results they care about. B. A collective ideal of vision. C. It promotes culture of learning, a community of learners, and it ensures that individual learning enriches and enhances the organization as a whole. 11. Line management is both A and B. The options are correct. A. Hierarchical chain of command from executive to frontline level in which top management has direct authority. B. Organized along cross functional lines such as employee development or strategic direction. C. In fact, C option is correct, which includes both A and B. Now, question number 12. Dash is a process of transmission of messages and understanding of information between two or more people. It involves at least two parties, a sender and a receiver. So the correct option is B, communication. 13. Dash methods are generally applied on the workplace while employees are actually working on the job training. Correct option is A. 14. Selection is A, a process of picking up individuals with requisite qualifications and competence to fill jobs in the organization. B, a process of differentiating between applicants in order to identify and hire those with greater likelihood of success in the job. 15. Interviews can be one-to-one, panel interview or sequential interview. All options are correct. 16. When any discipline becomes ineffective or less effective, in this case, D option is correct where A and B are correct. Longer time spending in action and discipline is handled imperfectly. 17. Functions of the personnel management can be described as both A and B. A is managerial, B operative. So, this is all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, R Classes, and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needing now and in the future. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of